Isha Foundation, that is Adiyogi, which is located in Chikkaballapur. So we started from Kher. From Kher to Chikkaballapur, it's around 66 kilometers. So we are traveling by Budigere road and Devnalli route. The roads are pretty good. We have watched couple of videos. So today is Sunday. So we thought, okay, we'll just go to that place and check out what are the facilities which is available over there.
Just now we started, so it's around 12 o'clock. So it's a 1 hour journey from Kher. So the roads are good, so we'll go and explain everything on the way. Stay tuned.
Connects Kher to Budigere and from Budigere to Devnalli. The roads it's okay, it's a double road, but still it's under construction. Last time when we came, it was under construction. We visited Coimbatore Adiyogi. That particular place was very nice, and it's very when we traveled to the Ooty, while coming back we just visited Coimbatore Adiyogi. So that was a nice place surrounded with the coconut trees and the mountain. So we thought, okay, we'll see how is the place over here, and we would like to feel that place.
This is the second statue in India built by Adiyogi Sadhguru. So Isha Foundation, and let's see what are the facilities available there. In Coimbatore we have a meditation center and yoga center, some spiritual centers along with that. But now Chikkaballapur recently started. I think it's inaugurated on January 15th, 2023. So now we're going to explore the location. Let's see how it is.
it touches the Nandi Hills cross. So from there, Nandi Hills is almost 15 kilometers. This is the shortest distance which we can go. There is a huge traffic, guys, and it's taking long time to reach over there. So we started around 12 o'clock and it's almost 2 o'clock. So we took 2 hours to reach here.
Due to weekends, Sunday, holiday, so most of people are visiting. If you're planning, please avoid coming during weekends or holidays.
If you're coming, you better to come at before 11 a.m. or after 3 p.m. That will be a best time to visit, as now we can say it's too much too sunny and it's very hot. And you can see this is the entrance, main entrance, and it is still under construction. So this will be a main entrance. So the roads, still the roads are not ready. I think you are seeing there is a huge traffic. We have reached here. There is a huge traffic and it's taking more than 2.5 hours. Advice is not to come on Saturday or Sunday. If you are coming, also try to come between 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. on during morning hours, not in the afternoon hours, and it's too hot also. It's very difficult. We are trying to get get inside the stand near to the statue, but it is taking so much time.
Brahmananda Swarupa Isha Jagatisha Akhilananda Swarupa Isha Mahesha Brahmananda Swarupa Isha Jagadisha Akhilananda Swarupa Isha Mahesha Brahmananda Swarupa Isha Jagadisha Akhilananda Swarupa Isha Mahesha Brahmananda Swarupa Isha Jagadisha Akhilananda Swarupa Isha Mahesha Brahmananda Swarupa Isha Jagadisha.
Yes, guys, just now we reached here and it's very crowded and still more development need to be done. So it's just a beginning. I think after a few years I can see a lot of improvements here. So it's very crowded and very hot here and there.
Isha Jagadisha Akhilananda Swarupa Isha Mahesha Brahmananda Swarupa Isha.
Hi guys, there is a huge parking facility here. Parking facility is very nice. Only the problem over here is to reach. It will take from Chikkaballapur bypass from till here. It will take at least 35 minutes to 40 minutes drive. Because of the during the weekend, it's going to take 40 minutes drive from Chikkaballapur bypass to here. And when we reached here, we were looking for a restroom. So there is a restroom facilities which is available over there, and we didn't see any drinking water facilities, and right now there is no food options also, so we are looking for that. This is the update as on today.
Isha Jagadisha Akhilananda Swarupa Isha Mahesha Brahmananda Swarupa Isha Jagadisha Akhilananda Swarupa Isha Mahesha Brahmananda Swarupa Swarupa Isha